Pads, Samsung Galaxy pads. Did Samsung done a great job with his pads? Are these the best pads Samsung made? Well, we're going to find out together. I'm Andrew, and today we have this lovely unboxing, testing and reviewing of these Samsung Galaxy pads. Let's take a look in the box. It says Samsung Galaxy pads, the box is sealed. Okay. We have 6 hours play time, clear call quality, wireless charging, designed by comfort and stability. Nice package. Manufacturer J is 13/3, 2019. And let's open it. And voila! Nothing in the box. Oh, yes, we do have. Come on out, come on. Have some manuals here. Warranty card, etc., etc. If you want to read it, it's your choice. To this box, we are going to find some ear tips and wing tips. I suppose it's a small, medium and large. Okay, let's take it out. Come on, you can do it. Okay. Of course, here they are. What is suitable for you, you're going to find out. And the cable, of course, is Type C. Lovely. And here we got the pads. Oh, it's quite heavy. Let's see how much it is. "51 grams. Nice. Now, as everyone knows, this is a sound by, okay, you got it, sound by PKGA, and it's wireless charging. We have an LED indicator, a Type C connection for charging, not wirelessly, with your cable and your charger. And of course, now is the big moment to connect it to my Galaxy S9 Plus. Here we are, and when I'm going to open it, Galaxy, it will find out I have these pads, and instantly it will connect. Okay, we have some lights. Come on, Samsung. Well, okay, I'm go to my Bluetooth settings. I hope it will find out. Yes, headphone Galaxy pads. Here we are. Oh, setting up your phone. Well, let's wait a little bit to see how it goes. Come on. A little bit. And here we are. Galaxy wearables. Congrats on your new Galaxy Pad. Thank you. I don't want a diagnostic report. I agree. Okay. Well, this you can change it onto your settings when you want. Let's go next. Use touchpad. Get to know your Galaxy pads. Okay. Tap play or pause track. Double tap play next track, answer or and call. Triple tap play previous track. Touch and hold user choice, changing settings, decline, call. Well, I'm sure those settings you can manage to find out on setting and change it. Ambient sounds, you can hear the outside of the sounds. Pair it with a phone or tablet. Well, finish. Galaxy Pads battery remaining 100%. Both of them, left and right. Equalizer, AirPods. Okay, we have an update software. You update. Not too much, download. Okay, install now. Now let's wait to install the new software update. Stabilize it, it says what's new. Stabilize it Bluetooth connection through added fixes. Fix it incorrect AirPods battery level indicator. Fix it ambient sound menu display error. Okay. Waiting. Trying to make the update and it will connect. And here we are. Update. Let's finish it. Oh, let's see here. We have some notifications. Manage notifications, 6 apps selected. Read aloud while using phone. Hear notification from your phone, your Galaxy Pads, even when you're using your phone. Okay. Touchpad. Left voice command, right voice command. Quick ambient sound, volume down. This is the setting that you can change into your touchpad of your pads. Double tap, left, and here is the same. Lock touchpad, you can lock it. And some other settings. Find my AirPods, yeah. Start and it will find dynamic. Soft dynamic, clear, treble boost. I will leave it on dynamic. Read to get started. Get to know your Galaxy Pads. No, I don't know. Not. Okay. Let's try out how it sounds. Well, first of all, this is the case. We have two metal here. It's slight magnetic. Close, that means it's disconnected. As it opened, it will connect it automatically, as you see. Come on, focus here. Okay. The case. Let's see how it sounds. Well, I put it in my ears and let's hear some music. Whoa. Already playing. Wow. I can tell it sounds very great. Wow. Let's change some settings. Wow. Dynamic. Oh, great. Wow. I wish I had the opportunity to can hear some music. Oh, but sounds great. Let's change to clear. Treble boost. Well, I think dynamic it's greater. Whoa. Sounds great. Yeah. Say it, baby. Well, next is I'm going to try it outside. I will go for biking and then we will see how it sounds outside. Try to charge them to see how it works. Close, and here we have a wireless charger. And yep, it's charging. Okay. Let me show you. Here it is. Wonderful. Make a call to see how I can hear my friend that I will call. Again, it's connecting automatically. When I put it to my ears, I can hear sound in my left and in the right pads when I put it in my ears. Well, let's make a call to see how I can hear them. Okay, I will call my friend John. I don't know if he will going to answer. Okay, beeps. Come on, man, pick up the phone. Hey, man, how are you? I was worried you're not going to pick the phone. I'm on the video on YouTube now. Yeah, man, really? How is my voice? Clear? Oh, I'm so happy. You're outside. That's great. That's great that you can hear me clear crystal. Yeah, man, Galaxy pads. Well, I will review them and testing, and I will tell you if you want to buy it or not. But I'm glad you can hear me 100% clear. That's great. Yeah. Okay, man. We'll talk later. Bye bye. Well, that was my friend, and 100% the call was clear crystal. Thank you, Galaxy. Next I will try them outside. I will go for biking and I will tell you my honest opinion how it will sound for 45 minutes that I'm biking. Oh guys, I'm biking now. I don't seem to have any problem. It's great. Oh guys, it sounds very great. I like it. Thumbs up. Well guys, after 1 hour of biking and sweating in my ears, I can definitely say these Galaxy pads are great. You may have the feeling that it will fall off from your ears, but it's just a feeling. It's not going to happen. It is very good fit in your ears, no problem. The sound quality when you're calling someone, it's great. I had the opportunity to see some videos on YouTube with other users that saying the call quality is not good. For me it was great. I don't know, it may depends what phone you've got, who knows. Tip: when you're changing the music, you have to double tap. It's best not to do just something like that fast. Just push it and do it. Push it and do it. Not so fast. Push and do it again. It will be more easy and it will change the song faster with no problems. For 1 hour the battery it drops about 15 to 20%. It was on 85%. It goes to 65 to 70%. I turn it off the external noise because I like to hear only the music. For me it was great. I don't know, maybe for someone else not so great. It can change that from the settings. You can manage to change many touch tab from the settings. First day, 1 hour, for me is great. I don't have any complaints. I will use it more, of course, and definitely I will have a better opinion for these Galaxy pads. These pads are great. It cost, the price is very good. I only purchased this for 100 euros. 100 euros for these pads, it's great. Apple pads, it's worth about 200 euros, it's double the price. Not even close, I'm not going to buy it. I'm not a fan of Apple so much. I did have in the past some iPhones, but just the iPhones. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching this video of the testing, unboxing and reviewing of these products. It's too long, I know, it's about 15 minutes, maybe 16. I'm sorry for that. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video is your choice, definitely, but hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. And share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.